Hope everybody's doing good today. October 31st, 2017. I'm going to read the dream that I had last night. I dreamt about Hurricane Kay again. This time I dreamed. Over and over I was looking through many videos on YouTube about Hurricane Kay. And I played two. Well, all of a sudden the screen just turned real purple and the picture turned just really purple. And then a voice said, Hurricane Kay is a purple storm. The videos wouldn't nail down exactly, what Hurricane Kay was. And then a voice said, Hurricane Kay is a North Korea storm. North Korean storm. I kept looking for vids that said this, but couldn't find any in this dream. It was said that the North Korean storm Hurricane Kay, the internet wouldn't directly say, anywhere exactly what it was. I heard something else say Hurricane Kay was associated with North Korea, so it said it again. And I woke up and I dreamed this stuff all night long. Well, I ran across this map. I saw it earlier. I had to redraw it because the other one was so little I wouldn't be able to get it to focus. So this thing here, we just look at it. That was the Korean War. What all happened between North Korea and the purple color, well, it looks kind of peach colored on this, and the blue color, South Korea. Well, I dreamed about 3 nights ago the thing, about a military exercise and the number 212 and this black triangle. Well, that map showed it right there. I just drew it the best I could. Those are the battles they had during the Korean War. And then it was ironic, a guy named MacArthur, led the Korean War for a period of time. And in the other dreams, when I saw Hurricane Kay go up, it crossed directly over Little Rock, Arkansas, and then turned left. Well, this Arthur was born in Little Rock, I found out. And I thought that was strange. And so then we come to find out K Street is a street in Washington, D.C. that represents the lobbying, the money, and the riches and the wealth. And purple represents that. And this is an armistice line. And the number 212, this thing was 2.5 miles wide. So put that together, you get 212. And iron is black. So Hurricane Kay is symbolic of a horrific political storm. And the name goes right back to Arthur. In the legend of King Arthur, Kay was the knight that was boastful and proud. And America's like that. It's parabolic for that. And Trump said it, fire and fury. And go read Revelation 18, what happens when Babylon falls. And that's my October 31st, 2017 Hurricane Kay dream that resurfaced again last night. And just remember, when you go deeper on that with the roots of stuff, everything revolves around oil. It's the petrodollar. And all the wealth, when you get right down to it, goes right back to oil. And Conoco, Continental Oil, was founded in, Ponca City, which is Kay County. And, they had the Osage killings, many, I think 1923, and that was over the oil. It goes right back to it. And that storm went right to that area. Judgment returns, the area in which a thing is founded. And ConocoPhillips bought out Conoco. they're together now, and they're in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Went right over that, and there you have it. And you know, it's called an iron triangle. That's what it's called. And then another dream, I was on a corded phone, you know, talking, you know, about this thing, and said there were 3 storms. Well, I think one of them, yeah, with the iron triangle, there was like interest groups and Congress, and then something else when I looked it up, you know, and I find this very weird. And then so I go to play a video to research the word iron triangle, not knowing what it is, not having any idea, just go to look it up. And so it's funny that this Korean War was the first place I saw it. So I go to look it up, and I pull it up, and you know, I see it talks about it. Well, then at the end of it, the screen just flashes up K Street 1800. And you know, it's more than one time, and you know, Revelation 18, and then K is the 11th letter, Hurricane Kay. It's parabolic of a horrific political storm and war that it leads to, as what this is. And North Korea, you know, had it, and they're the ones, you know, that are talking about all this. And I'm saying it just goes round and round. It's a real black triangle, 212, 2.5 miles. It's an armistice, and you know, it's really not finalized, and you know, the war never really got over. It's just an armistice, and I think that's very weird and very strange. And